Hello everyone. After completing three of my lecture series in power system analysis, transmission and distribution, now I am going to continue with special electrical machines, which is a very important subject for our electrical students. Whereas these motors which we discuss in special electrical machines plays a major role in the upcoming technologies like electric vehicles and robotics. So with the subject code of 19W504, I am going to continue my lecture series of special electrical machines. So in this video, we are just going to have an introduction about what are all the upcoming videos and topics that we are going to discuss. So in this video, in this presentation, first let us see what is a machine, electrical machine and a special electrical machine, and about the syllabus that we have in this subject is going to be discussed. So machine, electrical machine and special electrical machines, there is a difference. Like a machine is a physical system that uses power to apply force. So without any supply, by giving a force, it will give an output and a control movement to perform an action. So an apparatus consisting of interrelated parts with separate functions used in the performance of some kind of work. This also defines what is a machine. So machine is any device that makes works easier. Yes, obviously. Now we are moving on to technology and moving on to machines. A device that helps lift a heavy load or speed up motion or change the direction of the force in the desired action is called a machine. So a machine has many definitions in which these four as an example of that machine. So a machine is a physical system that uses power to apply forces. So it will do any kind of work. For example, tailoring machine, coffee machine and ice cream machine, we call it as a machine. Coming to electrical machines, we all know a definition like a machine that converts mechanical energy into an electrical energy or vice versa. Either the electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy, we call it as an electrical machine. So this is a picture of the internal structure of an electrical machine, which consists of stator, rotor, brushes, commutators and windings. Coming to types of electrical machines, basically we know the electrical machines are divided into two, DC machines and AC machines. Here we have added another parameter of special motors, whereas DC machines is again of 5 types: permanent magnet brushless DC motor and a permanent magnet DC motor and a shunt motor, separately excited motor, series motor and compound motor. So this is about types of DC machines. Coming to AC machines, it is basically divided into two: induction machine and synchronous machine. And based on the rotor, it can be divided into wound rotor or squirrel cage. And coming to types of single phase machines, capacitor start, capacitor run, split phase, capacitor start and capacitor run. These are all some types of single phase AC machines. Coming to special motors, what we are going to learn in this subject is about stepper motor, brushless DC motor, hysteresis motors, reluctance motors and universal motors. So these comes hysteresis motor and universal motor comes under other type of motors, whereas we have a special unit for stepper motor, brushless DC and reluctance. We will be discussing it in detail. So this is about the type of electrical machines. And coming to special electrical machine, why we call it as special electrical machine is mainly a commutator. So commutator is the main part of a DC motor which rotates and produces magnetic field. And this machine whose stator coils are energized by electronically switched currents, we call it as special electrical machines. So if a machine is electronically switched or electronically commutated, we call it as special electrical machines. Or a special electrical machine is a semi or 100% automatic machine which allows specific operations dedicated to a product or a family of products to be carried out. And where any other motor other than the general purpose motor, has its special operating capacity by customized design or manual design. Also we call it as special electrical machines. So these machines are particularly designed for such particular applications. So that's where we call it as special electrical machines. So we will continue with the next video. Thank you.